Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making some Pinterest inspired wooden Christmas trees, and I'm going to be making mine from some paint sticks that you can get from your local hardware store. This is a very budget friendly Christmas DIY. I'm going to be using a few things from Dollar Tree as well, and this will be perfect for somewhere where you can display your Christmas cards or your holiday photos. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So for the tree, I am using these 3 large paint sticks that come from Home Depot. They're in a pack of 3 for $1, and all I'm doing is arranging 2 of them into a point and using the bottom one as a base and cutting that to size. And then I just use some hot glue to attach the bottom one to the other 2 pieces to create a triangle. You could use E6000 if you wanted a stronger hold. Next, I am going to use my Rust-Oleum chalked linen white paint, and I'm going to paint the tree as well as one of these little puzzles that comes from Dollar Tree. I just took the pieces out, and I am going to use this as part of my base, just the flat side, and I'm just going to paint the whole tree, the inside, the outside, the sides, and making sure I also get the bottom and underneath part. Now next I'm going to use my Rust-Oleum wood stain in the American Walnut color with a couple paper towels, and I'm just going to wipe that stain onto the painted wood, and then I'm just going to wipe most of it off just so that way the wood has more of a weathered look and the tree will have more of a farmhouse feel. Now I'm going to take these wood stems that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to arrange 7 of them into a circle, making sure the ones that I use are all about the same size, and then I am just going to simply hot glue them all together. Again, you could use E6000 for this, but I think hot glue works just fine in this case. After the wood pieces are all hot glued together, I am just going to take the whole thing and hot glue it down to the wood base. Then I'm going to glue the bottom of the triangle on to the wood pieces. Lastly, I am going to take this Snowflake Christmas card garland that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am going to push one of the snowflakes to the start of the twine and hot glue that to the very top of the tree, and then I'm going to flip the Christmas tree around and wrap the twine as I go, and hot gluing the twine on each side of the Christmas tree so that way I make sure that it stays in place. And then while I am flipping the twine back to the front, I am making sure to push the snowflakes onto the front part of that twine on the Christmas tree. And then once I work my way down to the bottom, I will just hot glue the end of the twine to the bottom part of the Christmas tree and cut the excess off. Alright guys, I think this wooden Christmas tree turned out really cute, and of course you can make a smaller version of this with some smaller paint sticks, or you could make a larger version with some 1x2s from your local hardware store. I think that this is a great way to display your Christmas cards or even your holiday pictures throughout the season, and this is something that you can actually keep up throughout the winter time because it's not super Christmassy. So make sure to like, comment, and share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.